Yes guys, nandito tayo sa Meadows Park sa Edinburgh, Scotland. So as you can see, ano siya, parang 75 trees ng cherry blossoms. And would you believe guys na pagpunta namin dito, like nung day na yon na pumunta kami, April 24, that's the full bloom daw. Yun daw yung peak na bloom ng cherry blossoms. So ayan, ang ganda-ganda guys. So ang sabi nila, some of these cherry blossom trees were planted noong 1500s pa. Dito daw nakadaan during the coronation of Saint Elizabeth II. But weather ano din siya guys, pag malakas ang ulan and mahangin, nahuhulog na ang mga dahon. So fleeting din yung kanyang mga leaves. So just like every human being, everything is fleeting. So pag nandyan ka guys, so it's very beautiful talaga. Parang nasa bucket list ko siya when we went to Korea mga 3 years ago. Hindi namin naabutan ng cherry blossom. So kaya this time talagang nagpilit talaga akong pumunta dito sa Meadows Park, no? Just to see this cherry blossoms.